Third-party control interfaces can communicate with any Integrator series DSPs using a common protocol. Legacy Symetrix products use the same control protocol. The protocol consists of human-readable text commands and responses. The Integrator series uses UDP for control via port 48630. UDP only communicates with one control at a time and responds to the last control to communicate. A comprehensive list and explanation of the protocol can be found in the Symetrix 761 and Jupyter DSP help files. Alternately, you can download the Symetrix control protocol document from the Symetrix website. It can be found in the Download tab of both the Symetrix 761 and Jupyter product pages. This section of the chapter focuses on the three most commonly used control types: control set or CS, change control or CC, and load preset or LP. Utilizing these commands with the Integrator series requires the use of an approved device. These commands are not executable through the GUI itself. Use the control set or CS command to move a control parameter to a new absolute value. The command must specify the control number and new control position. The command is typically used for control of a button. In this example, the CS command is used to control a mute button for input 1 of the Gain Sharing Auto Mixer number 1 app. The control number for the mute button can be found in the HTML list of external control numbers for the Gain Sharing Auto Mixer number 1 app. The control position is a value between 00000 and 65535 divided by the possible parameter states. The leading zeros may be omitted if you wish. In the case of a button, it will be either on or off, represented by either 0 or 65535. The control number controls the state of the button. The push data provides feedback to the third-party control system with the value of that control number. So, to activate the mute for channel 1, the command is CS space 115 space 65535, then the carriage return. To deactivate the mute for this channel, the command is CS space 115 space 0, or alternately you can do all 5 zeros, 00000, then the carriage return. Use the change control or CC command to move the control to a new relative value. This command increments or decrements a control by a specified amount. The command must specify the controller number, whether it is to be incremented or decremented, and the amount to change by. The most common use for this command is a fader control. In this example, the CC command is used to control the channel 1 digital trim fader of the Gain Sharing Auto Mixer number 1. Next, use the control number to make the fader adjustments in 1 dB increments. For the channel 1 digital trim fader, this is 65535 divided by 48, the total dB range, or 1365. Decimals get rounded to the nearest whole number. To increment the fader, use a value of 1 in the increment-decrement field. With that in mind, the command would be CC space 116 space 1 space 1365, then the carriage return. Now, move the fader down by 1 dB by entering a value of 0 in the increment-decrement field. The command would be CC space 116 space 0 space 1365, then the carriage return. The load preset or LP command loads the specified preset from 1 to 50. To recall preset number 1, the command would be LP space 1, then carriage return. If the command is accepted, a message with ACK is delivered. If the command was interpreted but fails for any reason, the message will be NACK, not acknowledged.